Adding events. To add a new event, select Add New Event from the calendar's action menu. Or go to the Events page by selecting the main menu, Events. And then select Add New Event. Select the academic year for the event. And then select the event type. The event types in this list can be customized by selecting the main menu, Settings. Then select the Settings menu, Customize. Expand the section, CRM Fields Options. And scroll down to the section, Event Types. Select Add, to add a new event type. You can also edit the name of an existing event type. You can rearrange the order in which they appear in the drop-down, by selecting the up-down arrows. And you can delete an event type, by selecting the corresponding delete icon. Select All Day if the event will be a full-day event. And then enter the event date. Select Multi-Day if the event will be over 2 or more days. And then enter the event's start date and end date. Select Part Day, if the event will be during specific hours. Then, enter the event date, the start time, and end time. Next, enter a description for the event. And then select the tracks that will participate in this event. To delete lessons that are scheduled during an event, toggle on Delete Lessons During Event. If you don't delete these lessons, they will become optional attendance lessons. For more information on optional attendance lessons, see the appropriate help tutorial in the class grades section. For more information on meals served during an event, see the appropriate help tutorial in the meals report section. Finally, select Create to create the event. If you selected the option to delete the lessons during an event, the list of lessons will now display. The lessons listed here are all lessons that are scheduled on the dates of the event, for the selected tracks. In this case we created a 2-day event. Select the desired lessons to delete, and select Save. You can filter the events page by year, semester, month, track, and event type. You can also export the events by selecting Export from the action menu. The export will include whatever is on the screen, so that if your list is filtered, it will only include the filtered list.